Hello, I'm Justine Murphy with Laser Focus World. Let's take a look at some of the amazing things happening in photonics. A tiny technology that could fit onto a smartphone is showing huge promise for a wide range of applications, from biomedical diagnostics to manufacturing. Researchers at North Carolina State University have designed and demonstrated a spectrometer that's just a few square millimeters in size, several orders of magnitude smaller than conventional technologies, and sensitive enough to accurately measure a broader range of wavelengths than is currently possible. The new technology involves a tiny photodetector that senses light after it interacts with the target material. And when different low voltages are applied, the team says they can manipulate which wavelengths, ranging from ultraviolet to near infrared, the photodetector is sensitive to. The pixel-sized spectrometer operates very quickly, too. The entire process happens in less than a millisecond. Tests of the technology have determined it's as accurate as conventional spectrometers, with sensitivity that rivals commercial photodetector devices. The team says their tiny spectrometer could be used for small handheld spectroscopy devices and paves the way for next-generation imaging. Among their goals is to make the technology available for the consumer market. A strategic collaboration in the works could significantly advance photonic devices. Lydium, a Switzerland-based startup specializing in photonic integrated circuits, is coming together with Taiwan-based Advanced Probe Systems manufacturer MPI Corporation and Axiomatic AI, an AI technology startup in Boston, to develop the world's first intelligent, autonomous, and integrated test solution for photonic devices. Representatives say the collaborative work will ultimately address the growing complexity and performance demands associated with photonic integrated circuits. Elsewhere, Dr. Liet Karen, a researcher in the Department of Molecular Cell Biology at the Weizmann Institute of Science, has been awarded the Anne Heidenthal Prize for Fluorescence Research by Chroma Technology, based on her work with combinatorial multiplexing in proteins and proteomic staining for early-stage cancer detection. The company, a Vermont-based manufacturer and OEM supplier of high-performance optical filters, has presented the award annually since 2014 to a young scientist who exhibits extraordinary research in the field of fluorescence imaging. A stealthy bioinspired technology developed by researchers in Finland has the potential to enhance a wide range of military and climate applications. A team at Aalto University has created white plasmonic metasurface nanoclouds that behave like real clouds, specifically in their ability to dynamically tune their own color and temperature between cooling white and heating gray. With its low mid-infrared emissivity, the technology can remain veiled in infrared sensors and thermal cameras. More specifically, the nanocloud design involves a white metasurface of hemispherical particles over metal. This enables strong backscattering in the visible to near infrared range, as well as low emissivity within the thermal infrared, which prompts cooling and cloaking. The team then embedded tiny copper nanoparticles inside aluminum oxide, which creates a polarizonic layer that absorbs and reflects light, and suppresses backscattering by mimicking a gray cloud. The metasurfaces essentially allow dual-mode thermal control while at the same time appearing camouflaged to thermal cameras. They also facilitate strong cooling when used alone and powerful heating when paired with the polarizonic layer. Testing of the technology is ongoing, the team says, as they work toward real-world applications. And that's your Photonics Hot List. Be sure to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and visit laserfocusworld.com for the latest and coolest news and information. Check out our Following the Photons podcast, too, for some cool interviews and news impacting the industry. Until next time.